Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare capsicum stuff. It's a very easy method. To dry roast, we will be using onion, 1/4 of the onion, a small piece of ginger, a small piece of garlic, 10 cashew nuts and 10 badam. We'll dry roast these ingredients. I've heated my pan on a medium flame. We'll just roast until the raw smell of the onion goes away. Take it out and let it cool for some time. I have taken the capsicum and removed the seeds. You can see I have made a hole out by removing the seeds so that we can stuff inside. For grinding, we'll take half cup of coconut, 3/4 teaspoon mirchi powder, salt as per taste, and our roasted ingredients. We'll grind it into a smooth paste. This is how it will look after grinding. Now we'll stuff this inside the capsicum. Like now heat 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan. Add the stuffed capsicum and fry it on all the sides. This is how the capsicum will look after frying. If you want to try some other recipe, please let me know in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.